Alright, right off the bat, it was a huge mess getting these boxes. I got a total of 10 blind bags. So far, I've only gotten 5 of them. And it's a huge delay, even if the boxes were coming from the US warehouse. So let's see, I got 5 blind bags, an extra small, and here we are with the first dress. I've seen this dress too from fellow princesses in the Discord, and I wanted to have it. So pretty cute, perfect for summer. This got me a little bit scared because I already have this dress and it's one of my favorite dresses from Lacemade. This is the midday phantom corset dress. I probably would just put it on sale or trade, or I don't know what to do with it yet, but it's lovely. You know, it's a staple. And this one, all the bears. Okay, I was wanting a bit more casual type of dresses from Lacemade, and now I have one. This one is very comfortable. So no zipper, or I don't think I've seen a zipper for this one. It's a very casual wear. And wowie, okay, one of the girlies has this dress. And I was like, oh my god, I wish I could find it. This is a very old one. White shell dress. And I was not expecting that they would be giving away robes. I knew that they would be handing out cardigans, sweaters, but this was a robe. And we did a little bit of research, and apparently this was part of a dress set. So you have a robe and then a matching dress, but I only got the robe. It's cool though. It's very comfy. It's very, very, very soft. So perfect for the coming fall and winter. Okay, another surprising item that I've never seen before, and this was way back 2022 according to their Instagram. So the Beverly High School collection, and this is a button-down shirt. Really cute. Nice fit. Let's see, another black item, and it's also a top that I've not seen. A lot more casual with these pieces. Not complaining. I wanted something, you know, more chill, laid back. This is very cute. It's a knit top, and it also came in white, but I'm happy to grab the black one. What's next? Okay. This is a cardigan, the blueberry cardigan. It's another knit type. It's so cute. And I also got the dress that matches this one, so you guys are gonna see in a little bit. And oh my goodness, I was so surprised to get this. Everybody has been raving about the pants, the jeans by Lacemade, and I was like, I'm not really into pants, but I tried them on, and holy, they fit so well. They're very comfy and very stretchy, very soft. And another cardigan. This is a red cardigan that should match the little hearts dress. That's part of the freebie for the luminary tier. So I'm excited to pair that. Okay, this is a pants skirt. So it's a skirt with shorts and like safety shorts inside. I don't know if I have anything to match with it, but it's very soft. Alright, I've been eyeing the dress version of this one. For now, I am content with the Psyche corset dress. It matches so well with the pants. Very cute. Lots of soft details in that. And it also comes with extra laces. And let's check this out. This is going to be the blueberry dress. The one that matches the cardigan from earlier. So, yet another dress that is more casual, more, you know, just chilling at home, still staying cute kind of outfit. Oh my gosh, this was so gorgeous. I was so surprised to pull this from the blind bags. The Elpis corset, really, really vibrant light blue. I love this one. It's very beautiful. Breathtakingly beautiful. Look at that. Look at the details. Okay, and this is the highlight of all the five bags boxes so far. The Blossom Nymph dress. And I raced to the tailor to get it done because I wanted to switch out the zipper back to a corset bag. I'm just I just want this to be my dress, and this is the first time I could not wear a size extra small. Okay, here we have a little bit of review of all the dresses, mostly tops and cardigans, not a lot of corsets. So I think I only got two corsets, the Elpis corset and then the Psyche corset top. I love everything though. Everything matches. The Elpis one, the Elpis corset would be the one that will be challenging because I don't think I have something to it with whatever I have right now in my Lacemade wardrobe, but it's very beautiful. Probably a plain cream dress would work with it. So, thanks for watching.